Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
So it's first of all, let us be very happy that you have safeguarded the interest of National Cooperative Bank
Yes.
depositors first,
Yes.
and knowing that Cosmos Bank is such a old bank and having very strong foundation. The only question that I would ask is how are the depositors' interest? For example, if National Cooperative Bank would have committed some rate of interest,
Yes.
it should have committed around 9.5% or 11% or whatever.
Yes.
So Cosmos Bank, I think the highest rate is around 8.25 or 8.3.
Yes.
So what happens to those deposit interest rates?
Sir, to safeguard the depositor's interest, whatever is the committed rate of interest, the day we have merged with them, from here, if your deposit receipts are continuing with us, we'll be offering them the same rate which has been contracted by earlier bank. That is our commitment.
Your commitment.
We will not go back on that.
Okay. So if it is for about a period of another 3 years from today,
Yes.
so the entire 3 years, if the committed rate is 11%, you will be taking
Provided the depositor continues his receipt with
no, yeah,
me.
he will be continuing. Okay. So one more thing is the now that the merger has happened today, we are starting off.
Yes.
So what is the response of the depositor? Are there any panic? Because Cosmos is new to Karnataka,
Yeah.
and you already have one set.
It's not that when we have our branch here
Yeah, I know that
already.
you have one branch here.
Yeah.
But is there any kind of a panic where people come for withdrawing their
Not at
deposit?
all, sir.
What is
Not
your
at
experience the
all.
last
Not at
couple
all,
of
sir.
years?
Last couple of days, we have already started meeting your depositors and telling them what is Cosmos. Our
Okay.
40 people team, they are going and meeting each and every depositor to their home, to their office, and tell them
Okay.
that we are there, we are going to take over your bank,
Okay.
but your deposit is safe. We have 118 years legacy with us. You need not worry. Absolutely.
Okay.
And we have covered them.
Covered them.
And if you go and see today, instead of withdrawal, new deposits are
New
coming.
deposits have come
Yes.
forward. That's a
And
very
all,
good
all,
news. Yeah.
all the people are more than 70 years old. This is what I have seen.
Okay.
And they come and they tell us, we are happy, sir. Our deposit is safe.
Is there any separate communication sent to all these depositors safeguarding their interest or the commitment? What you have?
It will go. Today
It will
we
go.
have merged.
You
Today
have.
we have merged. And those who are coming, our help desks are there.
Okay.
In all the branches also.
All the branches.
And we tell them, why are you withdrawing? Why are you withdrawing? If you want to continue,
Is
we
there
are
people
there.
coming in for withdrawal? There are some
Very
portion of
less, very less.
Okay.
Those who have not got interest,
Okay.
or those who are dependent only on that,
Okay.
or those who have taken personal loans for last 2 years when the
Okay.
bank was not working.
Fine.
Those people are only coming and they say, okay, I want to withdraw my interest, and we show our solidarity. 5 to 6%, hardly.
So if I understand, only 5 to 6% of the people have come forward to express their interest to withdraw it.
Yes.
Otherwise, generally the sentiments are okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely no
And
issue.
what are the NPA kind of looking? What is the percentage of NPA from NCB to Cosmos?
The percentage, as sir has explained earlier, the percentage of this bank is nearly 43%.
43%.
That is why what has happened is the shareholders' money has been wiped out.
Wiped off now.
That is why we have got a chance to merge this bank with us. But basically, RBI looks at depositors' interest because it's a small savings.
Small
they are
savings
coming
account.
here.
Absolutely,
Old
and especially
people.
retired people. Correct.
Yes, they are coming and they're dependent on this interest only.
Hardened. Last question, sir. How about the staff? What is the staff looking like? What is the moment, sentiments of the staff first? And secondly, what is the Cosmos Bank's policy of retaining the NCB employees?
Yes.
Actually, this culture of the Cosmos Bank and NCB almost the same.
Almost the same.
So we are retaining almost 90% of it.
90% of the people. 90% of the people are sir. And is there any special training program to align the culture of National Cooperative Bank to Cosmos?
Already,
One
sir,
month
already.
is going on.
It's going.
We have started that. That worry will always be there.
That is
What
always
happens if the bank is getting merged, whether I'll be there or not? But we have assured them, you need not worry. You come to the standard and you'll be here with us. You are our people because we need people here also. The local people are more
You require
important.
it, correct.
They know the clients.
I know.
And we are going to retain them. There is no question.
One more question which comes to my mind is, see, Cosmos has actually been merging about. This is the 19th bank you have,
Yes,
sixth
yes,
bank you have
yes,
taken.
yes.
My question is, are there any efforts to expand Cosmos Bank within Karnataka? I mean, now you have your own first and then 13 more.
Yeah.
112 in Bangalore, one in Mysore. You have any other efforts where you want to improve the penetration of Cosmos Bank into Karnataka? One. Two, the second question is, what are the efforts taken to improve the sentiments of the depositors? Because Cosmos is pretty new to Karnataka. What are the efforts that you are going to take which can improve the sentiments of the depositors positively? Two questions.
The depositors' interest is safeguarded because actually what happens, we have already conducted 2-3 times depositor interest forum.
Okay.
That meeting we have conducted 2-3 times.
Okay.
And we have got stupendous response from
Response.
them also.
Okay.
And no depositors are withdrawing.
Withdrawing.
Okay. Because of the trust of this bank.
Okay. So any new, other than these 13 setups, are you going to bring up some
Yes,
new
yes,
more?
because now our bank is FSW, that means financially sound and well managed.
Okay.
It's given by RBI. This status is given by RBI.
Okay.
So we have automatically get 10% of the bank's strength.
Okay.
That means 183, 10%, 18 branches we are.
You can open. Fantastic. So, fantastic, sir. Very kind of you to, coming up all us. One more question.
Yes, sir.
So you are having what about the shareholders? They have lost their rights completely.
Unfortunately.
Between the shareholders previously, they can vote for this one.
No, they may not. No, they may not.
Because we are not going to exchange their shares itself. Because the money, shareholders' money has been completely wiped out. It is a negative net worth the bank. Once it becomes negative net worth, that means the shareholder loses his money. Any company, if you take for that matter, when a company goes into liquidation, what happens?
So
Same thing happens.
that means these members, those are the members of NCB, National Cooperative Bank.
Yes.
They are the members retain the membership?
No.
Or they will become
No, sir.
no retain. They cannot become no longer member of the.
No.
They become customers.
Yes,
They don't have become
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Like that, so many shareholders, they are already the depositors.